Hello students, welcome back to your science class now. Students, in continuation of the chapter internal organs, students, I have explained to you brain, heart, lungs and stomach. Today I am going to explain you about bones. So our body has a definite shape and size. It is made up of bones and muscles, which is covered by skins. Okay, the hard part inside our body. The hard part inside our body are bones. Bones provide us the support. Bones provide support to our body to stand erect. Okay, and bones can also felt in your arms. Okay, just you touch your elbow, your wrist, you will find the hard substance, that is bones. Okay, you can feel it, can be felt in arms, in legs, bones can be felt. All hard things are bones inside our body. You know, this nails, nose, all these are made up of bones. And the number of bones in human body is more than 200. Okay, is more than 200, that is 206. All the bones together form the skeleton. All the bones in our body, all the bones in our body together forms a skeleton. Okay, so the skeleton lies below the skin and it gives the shape and size to human body. Without skeleton we cannot stand straight. Okay, we cannot stand without bones. Heart, lungs, stomach, that is protected by ribs. Okay, rib cage, and the rib cage is made up of bones. Okay, this rib cage is made up of bones. Our brain, that is protected by skull, and the skull is also made up of bones. So students, bones support the soft inner parts of the body, human body. You can feel a cage like structure surrounding your chest. You can feel it. See, this type of parallel bones. Okay, so these ribs are made up of bones. Next is, when you fall down, or you fall down, your bone may break. Then where you will go? You will go to doctor with your broken hands or legs. What doctor will do? He will tell you to do X-ray. So when you fall, bone may break. The doctor use the X-ray of the bone to see where it is broken. So we can see the bone in X-ray plate also. Okay, have you seen X-ray plate? Yes, I think you have seen X-ray plate. There you can see the bones. Do you know what is joints? The places in our body where two bones, this and this, two bones join, that is called joint. Okay, there are so many places in our body where two bones are joined, that is called joint. The bones are joined together and that place is called joint. Okay, so joints, do you know there are different types of joints? These are neck joint, this is neck joint, elbow joint, this is wrist joint. Okay, then there is hip joint, knee joint, ankle joint. These are major joints of our body. And joints and muscles help the body to move. So all these are about bones. Today we learnt about bones. I explained you the bones. Tomorrow I will explain you about muscles of our body. So students, the class ends here. Goodbye.